Modernage MCQs, Physics class first year, Unit number 9, Physical Optics, Part 1. Interference and refraction of light spores. Option A, wave nature of light. Option B, quantum nature of light. Option C, transverse nature of light. Option D, complex nature of light. The key is wave nature of light. Therefore, the correct option is A. Reason: interference is the superposition of two coherent monochromatic waves and refraction is the superposition of large number of waves. The interference and refraction can be explained by Huygens principle. Hence, the interference and refraction supports wave nature of light. Which one of the following cannot be polarized? Option A, ultraviolet waves. Option B, sound waves. Option C, radio waves. Option D, X-rays. The key is sound waves. Therefore, the correct option is B. Reason: polarization is a process by which the particles or electric field vibrations of waves are restricted in a single plane in such a way that the vibrations are perpendicular to the propagation of wave. Therefore, the transverse waves, ultraviolet, radio, X-ray, can be polarized and the sound waves cannot be polarized because they are longitudinal waves. Hence, the sound waves cannot be polarized. The sound waves cannot be option A, reflected, option B, refracted, option C, polarized, option D, diffracted. The key is polarized. Therefore, the correct option is C. Reason: almost all the waves can be reflected, refracted, and diffracted. The polarization is a process by which the particles or electric field vibrations of waves are restricted in a single plane in such a way that the vibrations are perpendicular to the propagation of wave. Therefore, the sound waves cannot be polarized because they are longitudinal waves. Hence, the sound waves cannot be polarized. The edge of a razor does not form a sharp image on a screen due to option A, reflection of light, option B, refraction of light, option C, polarization of light, option D, diffraction of light. The key is diffraction of light. Therefore, the correct option is D. Reason: the diffraction is the bending of waves behind the obstacles. It is possible if the dimensions of the obstacles are of the order of wavelength of the wave. The dimensions of razor edge are of the order of wavelength of the light. Therefore, the light is diffracted from the edge of a razor and a sharp image is not formed on a screen. Hence, the sharp image is not formed on the screen due to diffraction of light. Two coherent monochromatic waves will interfere constructively if power difference is option A 3 lambda divided by 2, option B 2 lambda divided by 3, option C 5 lambda, option D lambda by 2. The key is 5 lambda. Therefore, the correct option is C. Reason: the two coherent monochromatic waves interfere constructively if the power difference between them is an integral multiple, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, of the wavelength lambda. Therefore, in the given options, integral multiple of wavelength is 5 lambda. Hence, the two and waves interfere constructively if power difference is 5 lambda. For destructive interference, the power difference between two waves will be option A 9 lambda by 2, option B 8 lambda by 3, option C 7 lambda by 5, option D 6 lambda by 7. The key is 9 lambda by 2. Therefore, the correct option is A. Reason: the two coherent monochromatic waves interfere constructively if the power difference between them is an integral multiple, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, of half the wavelength lambda by 2. Therefore, in the given options, integral multiple of half the wavelength is 9 lambda by 2. Hence, the path difference between two waves for destructive interference is 9 lambda by 2. Signal from a remote control device travels with speed of option A, sunlight, option B, audible sound, option C, supersonics, option D, ultrasonics. The key is sunlight. Therefore, the correct option is A. Reason: the remote control is a device which generates signal in infrared waves. They are electromagnetic in nature and travel with the speed 8 into 10 power 8 meters per second. The speed 8 into 10 power 8 meters per second is the speed of light. Hence, the signal from a remote control travels with the speed of sunlight. The angle between vibrating electric field and direction of propagation of electromagnetic waves is option A 60 degree, option B 90 degree, option C 120 degree, option D 150 degree. The key is 90 degree. Therefore, the correct option is B. Reason: in electromagnetic waves, the vibrating magnetic field and direction of propagation are mutually perpendicular to each other. Therefore, the electric field vibrates at 90 degree with the direction of propagation of electromagnetic waves. Hence, the angle between vibrating electric field and direction of propagation of electromagnetic waves is 90 degree. In electromagnetic waves, the oscillating electric and magnetic fields are inclined at an angle of option A 180 degree, option B 135 degree, option C 90 degree, option D 45 degree. The key is 90 degree. Therefore, the correct option is C. Reason: in electromagnetic waves, the oscillating magnetic field, and direction of propagation are mutually perpendicular to each other. Hence, the oscillating electric and magnetic fields are inclined at 90 degree. Which one is the locus of all the points in phase? Option A amplitude, option B frequency, option C wavelength, option D wavefront. The key is wavefront. Therefore, the correct option is D. Reason: the statement is based on the definition of wavefront. Therefore, the locus of all the points in phase is the wavefront of a wave. Hence, the locus of all points in phase is wavefront.